Today I want to do it A160. That's the common problem in a transmission, and if you can see, that car have common problem, A class and B class. When you plug the machine, then you can see he's coming in the middle. He's not coming here because the car is not at the moment is warm. If it's cold, is coming here, transmission visit workshop. If you plug the diagnostic, you can see we're doing diagnostic first. If you check this car, this is a Mercedes, and we're going in a transmission. If you go in a transmission, switch should be on, and then is doing the communication, and you can see we're gonna get the code. What code is coming? Look, this code is coming 0793. The RPM signals from component Y3/9B4, and the same code is coming the 70722. The RPM signal from component Y3/9B5. That's the common problem, and the other code is coming 0794. That's the common problem as well, and 0720. That's the that is the genetic code because of the reason of the other two codes. And there the switch is coming, brake stop length signal is, and sometime because of the that code is coming, but sometime you have to change the brake switch. But the common problem is 722 793, and that's the problem in this car. So today we're doing to repair the transmission control module, and we will strip down that control module, and we're gonna do it ready in 2 to 3 hours maximum if you bring the car to us. So we're gonna take it out, and we're gonna repair it and put back. And if you want to change gearbox oil, we will do the gearbox oil and filter as well. So we will give you the warranty of that job. Car ready in 3 hours. If your unit someone try to repair and they can't, then you have to bring to us. We will do same unit ready in 3 to 4 hours. So today we're doing that job. So we're gonna do start. As if you have to take it out the sump, you have to take it out oil first, you have to take out sump, and you have to take out on the back side, have a big connector on there, and then you have to take it out the wall block inside, and then you can see is the top is have the one module on there. I will show you which type of module is on there, but at the end of I will show you, because I did not strip at the moment, but I am gonna do it now. So if you have to do any question, you can call me anytime. 07402536 We are in Heathrow near Heathrow. The postcode is Tango Whiskey 33 Tango Tango 169 Hanworth Road, as in the front of 210. So you can call me anytime. I will give you the full address, and you will come. Car will be ready in 3 hours. So that's you can see my other videos. If you like it, subscribe it. And we are professional in Mercedes A class, B class, and S class, E class. So you can come anytime. We will take it out your unit, and we will do same day job. So if you come to us, you can go just cup of coffee and come back. Car will be ready. Thank you for watching my videos. If you have to see my other video, you can see how I take it out the unit and which type of the unit is on there. I will show all the bits on there, and it's very easy to remove the unit, and very easy to install it. So you can post us, you can bring to us. If you bring the unit to us, we will ready in 1 hour. So your unit ready in 1 hour. If you post it same day, we will send it back to you, and no need to do any waiting for 3 to 5 working days, because other company doing 3 to 5 working days. So we're doing in just couple of hours, like 1 hour if you bring the unit, or if you post it same day, we will post it back. Thanks for watching my videos, and if you like it, you can leave a good comments on there, and you can call anytime. We are available, and thanks for watching our videos. Thanks. Bye. Take care. Bye.